Hi, if you have clicked on a video which has a Microsoft or a Google logo on it with the face of a YouTuber saying they have gotten 50, 60 lakhs per annum package, or they have gotten a lot of package, a lot of money from these fan companies, and the video, when you click on it, it goes on to brag about how their achievements, and it doesn't teach you about how to get there or any productive of your use, then you know what I'm talking about. Don't get me wrong, there are a lot of YouTubers which are helping, and I am grateful for them, so because I get inspired by them. So there are a lot of YouTubers who are helping, who are there to help you, but also there are a lot of YouTubers who are there just to make views and eventually to sell you their courses. So I'm not going to badmouth about someone just to like grow this channel, but I want to make you aware of a few facts. First of all, if money is the target point, you're missing the whole point. Money is based on what the market situation is. But the more you value you provide, the more you will earn eventually. You may be undervalued at a current company, you will move on to a position where you will be valued more. So you don't worry about money initially. Of course, you negotiate when you get a job, but your target should not be just the money, because your career is a 30 to 40-year long journey. So at the beginning of that, the first 2 3 years, if you focus more on money and you don't get into a place where you get opportunities to learn a lot, then eventually uh, your salary will outgrow your skills and you will be insecure. So this is one point. The second point is, uh, when you when you watch such a video where the expectation is 80 lakhs per annum, 1.6 crore, 4 crore, uh, but the situation is, you don't get first of all, you don't get the whole uh, like salary as divided by that amount. So it makes it look big, but it is not that big in actual. But nobody thinks about that in the thumbnail while clicking on the thumbnail. Secondly, it increases your expectation, and finally, even if you get a 20 lakhs per annum job, which is a good job, you will be dissatisfied, you will be disappointed with yourself, or not satisfied and happy that you haven't got that 1 crore or 80 lakhs job, whereas you have to see that only 0.001% get that kind of salary. So I don't see these YouTubers as lying. I see them as showing you intentionally or unintentionally a skewed view of the market by telling you half of the truth. You have to look at the other half yourself, and you can't hold accountable for someone for telling only one part of the truth. Uh, like someone can choose, uh, pick and choose. They may have the intention of selling you courses, but they some may not have also. They may be thinking they are inspiring you, but down the line you may get demotivated or chasing after money instead of growing your skills. So you be aware. The main thing is, when you're a student, it's not fair if a student is shown such a dream and they will never be happy. When they struggle to get even the first job as a fresher, it is very difficult to get a job as a fresher. I know that. And when they struggle to do that, they will be very disappointed. They'll be more disappointed when they set such a high bar for themselves. And also the market is not as conducive as it was in 2021 2022, where there were higher packages easily available. Now the companies with these high packages are hiring people in masses. So it's very important that you think of yourself. Do not follow YouTubers blindly. You think by yourself that what may be the reality. The reality is not what YouTube is showing you. And this is a phenomenon all over. It's just started in India like for a couple of years I see, but it has been there in the US. I see people bragging about um, their salaries, some of them calling themselves a millionaire and pasting them as a millionaire in every single video they post. And but there are a lot of you know uh, well-meaning people who are there to help you. When you will get this when you go to learn about the boring stuff. Let's say stuff about Linux servers, where you have to do something, you know, some technical challenge that you're facing that you need to solve, or how to approach uh, a particular problem, how to approach uh, create having a project of your own, and how to build a game, how to anything that has technical details and not those gimmick. There you will find the real people. And also I don't see myself as that much successful, close to that much successful as some of those people. They have had great careers and they really help. They are not doing it for the views. They are not probably selling courses. Some of them may be selling courses. My point is, you should not buy courses based on personality. You should check if that person is actually providing you value which you can use, of like some technical knowledge which you can use, and then you should follow that person and go on and take his course. And then also it's your call. You never know when a call whether a course is good or bad. But it's especially heartbreaking to see if, kids from just out of graduation, or coming out of graduation, they are following YouTubers based on their charm, or based because they are in Microsoft or Google, or they have had 60 LPS, so that guy may be knowing data structure better than his teacher at his college, or that my guy may be good at system design. If you go to design a system, it's really challenging. Someone even at Microsoft with 2 years of experience cannot do that. When you join an institution like as big as Microsoft or Google or Amazon, you are just a small cog in a huge machine. You are told to do one specific task and you must do that very well, but you don't have the whole view of the picture. Yeah, the insight of that person is very important with respect to how did he crack the interview. That is equivalent to how when we read people's interview when they crack really difficult exams like civil services. So we do follow those, but we don't go to them for coaching. So make good decisions. Don't follow even me blindly. You know, Look at my opinion, look at any other YouTuber's opinion as an opinion, and process it in your mind. You are an engineer, you have a working mind in this field, so do not take anything as a s- like as a vani from a guru. Sure. Thanks. That's all I have to do. I have to say. I like those watching those people as well. I take inspiration for them, but I don't set my expectation based on them. So that's the difference. Thank you, guys.